Thank you. Thank you so much, the clergy. That was wonderful. My name is Dixon Angwenyi. I'm now the eldest son after Dennis. So allow me introduce members of this family. I want to start by saying this is our dad, that is our mother. In this home, we were born 4 children. 4 children. The eldest being our sister Nam. Nam, you can stand, kindly. I want to do this very fast so that we save on time. Nam is here, is our. No, she will not say anything because of that. Followed by the late Dennis. So Dennis to speak, but his father. Yeah. So when we see the wife, we're seeing Dennis through her. So this is the wife of Dennis. Diana, you can stand, kindly. That is the wife, Diana Matoke, my sister-in-law, the wife to the late. Thank you. And with that, let me also introduce their children. So this is Wisdom, the son. You can stand, Wisdom. Yes, that is Wisdom. And then that is Victoria. Of course, yeah, she's in Form 2, and the son is in Grade 5. So in this family, therefore, after Dennis, it's me. So I'm the second born son, but the third born child. And now, in the absence of Dennis, therefore, culturally, I am the firstborn son. And my follower, who is our last born in our family, is Ben. Ben is here, and his wife, Maureen. They are here. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Allow Dad briefly to just say a word on behalf of our family. Dad, kindly say a word ya pole. Sema pole kwa niaba ya family.
In a very special way, wacha nichukue nafasi hii to congratulate you you have come from all walks of life. All walks of life. Kwa niaba ya mwanangu huyo Dennis Melala. Waombolezaji mbea, mimi sina mengi. Mutakaporudi manyumbani mwenu, Bwana awalinde. Murudi manyumbani mwenu mukiwa manyumbani mwenu murudi salama. Hili ndio ombi nikisema thank you very much for coming to kwa nasi hapa. Nimeshukuru for your coming. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much. My mother will say something. Yeah.
Mjambo marafiki wa Dennis na marafiki wa familia ya Stephen. Mjambo. Asante sana. Nimeshukuru sana kwa sababu mmekuja kutupea kampani ya kusika mwenzetu mtoto yetu mkubwa. Nimeshukuru sana. Mungu awabariki. Mnaporudi mrudi salama. Nimeshukuru kwa wale wote walinisikilia mkono. Nimeshukuru sana kwa wale wote walinionea huruma wakati nilikuwa na shida, wakanisaidia. Sana sana watu wa Magena, Mungu awabariki. Sana sana watu wa Moro, Mungu awabariki. Imagine, yani chakula yote ilikuwa inatoka sehemu hiyo mbili. Na tumemaliza hiyo kazi tukiwa salama. Kwa hivyo Mungu awabariki, tuendelee kusikana mkono, tukiendelea kusukuma hii gurudumu. Tunajua maisha ya familia sio 1+1. Ndio wakuja kusimama hivi, lazima ufanye hesabu mrefu. Kwa hivyo kufika hapa umefanya hesabu ya kukali yaani hesabu yote yenye inafanywa dunia hii. Lakini Kenya nilikuwa naongea ni kitu moja. Tumekaa tukiwa na uongo mingi. Wacha kuongea uongo mingi juu ya familia ya fulani. Ongea mambo yenye iko yenye umefanya. Ni nini unakaa kanisani ukiendelea kuongea maneno mingi? Mimi hao watoto yangu wamefika penye wamefika. Sijawahi kuomba msaada ya school fees hata moja. Wacha kukuja hapa kuongea maneno mingi ulifanya. Ongea kenye kiko, kwa sababu wewe ni mtu ya kanisa na uongee kenye kiko. Mimi ningekuambia hivyo. Kwa hivyo Mungu atubariki. Watoto wamefika penye wamefika. Mungu amechukua mwenye amechukua. Maisha tena itaendelea. Kwa sababu hiyo uongo imeleta shida mpaka imefanya dadi amekuwa na shida. Saa hii hiyo shida ni mimi niko naye. Hata ukianza kuongea hapa hautakuwa na hiyo shida na hautajua itaenda namna gani, kwa sababu hata saa hii hujaichua. Kwa hivyo Mungu akubariki, lakini kaa ukijua kuheshimu boma ya mwenzako. Mungu awabariki.
Thank you. My sister-in-law, Diana, kindly stand and just say a word. Or you can speak from there.
Ni ngumu sana kwangu, lakini nawasalimu hamjambo nyote. Nawashukuru sana kwa kuja na mzidi kwa maombi, na nashukuru kwa support ambao mmenipa. Asante sana kwa kunionyesha huu upendo wote. Mungu awabariki. Amen.
Thank you. Allow me just say 2-3 words, and I want to be very straight so that I save on time. Number one is to thank all of you through committee that has been organizing this day. We really appreciate the effort that you've made to see that this day is a success. Indeed, you've done us wonders. I want to thank the leaders who have come, who have graced this occasion. Indeed, it is a great honor. We have seen that our brother was really Thank you. Number two, allow me address this because our brother lived a social life. It is important that as a family we address a certain matter that has been there, and we have seen it in social media. And for us, we thought it is good we bring to light, because there is no need for people to speak rumors and spread all manner of falsehoods concerning the passing on of our brother. My brother started feeling unwell about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks, and at that time I was in Eldoret. He called me. He told me he was having difficulty in breathing, and so I thought actually it was just something small, maybe flu. So I told him, well, you can go to hospital tuone. After examination, we realized that there were some fluids in the lungs. So there was a procedure that was done, and the fluids were drained. We actually thought that would sort it. But after 3 or 4 days, the fluids were back. So he went back to hospital. The procedure was done again. And then through that, some drugs were administered. We actually thought now the whole issue has been dealt with. So he came back home, and the story continued. On the third time, now we said, let us transfer him for specialized kind of treatment in Eldoret. And I was there, I organized. So on his way to Eldoret, he succumbed, akiwa kwa ambulance. So we actually, as a family, went and requested for a post-mortem to be done. And that is when we discovered that indeed there had been a problem that was there for quite some time, only that we had not discovered fully what it truly was. Because the post-mortem result showed that his heart was much enlarged. And you know, in medical terms, when the heart is enlarged, it means it can't pump well. It pumps so slow. Connected. So he actually had a challenge even in his earlier life. Moving up, even climbing stairs, used to be a problem. And we used to tell him, you know, our brother, you never go to the gym. We used to joke like that. I tell him, you know, you never go to the gym. You are always driving. So we used to take it as a light matter. Kumbe, this problem had started developing, and it got to where it has reached. So allow me just clarify that, and I hope that puts to the end any rumors that were there. So that is what caused the death of our brother, and therefore I thought as a family it is important I let you know. Thank you. My sister-in-law, I want to give you our assurance and our commitment. As a family, we will stand with you. We will support you. Nobody will disturb you. Anyone planning to disturb her, you will have to deal with us first. Because she's here in her right, and she's here as the spouse of our brother. And therefore, she has all rights to be in this family, and we are going to support her. We have already discussed that. My parents, I have given you my commitment that we will not let you down. We will do everything possible to make sure that the Nyabira family is strong, and this family will be strong together. Nobody is going to separate the family. Thank you so much. May God bless us.
Asante. Naomba uketi hapo, mletee kiti, mpe kiti akae hapo.